Let's get to the phones, Matthew. We're going to go to Charmaine. Good evening. What can we help you with?
Hey, Charmaine.
Yes, I'm calling. My daughter was in a minor car accident.
Okay.
Yeah.
She was the one at fault.
Okay.
I paid for full coverage insurance. I did get a printed out quote for the repairs, and the adjuster that came and looked at the car is trying to total the car out. This was the truck she hit. There was no damage to.
I see.
Her car had very minor damage, and all I'm trying to do is get her car repaired. But he's more or less jumped the gun and totaled out her car. I don't know if it's because, you know, I'm a female, and maybe he thought I don't know that much about automobile repair.
Right, right.
But
Matthew?
I'm just getting.
Yeah.
I just
What
don't
do you
know what
think?
to do.
Well, no. What I'd suggest is, assuming this matter is still in play, that
Sounds
the checks haven't been sent and cashed and that kind of stuff, and the title haven't been sent over. So what you can do is to the repair shop, whatever the adjuster surely went to some type of repair shop. I would go there, quite frankly, and talk to them and see if you can honestly get them to render an opinion whether or not the vehicle is fixable. And I would start there and kind of, but like everything else, it's just really a negotiation, Kenny, with the adjuster. I'd be curious on what the adjuster's position, why they would want to total that vehicle.
Right.
It's normally, that's pretty odd when she says there was minor damage and they want to total it. So I would start with the repair shop, see what they say about repairability of the vehicle, and then I would kind of go back from there. But you know, you can litigate those issues as can. Generally, they're worked out, but it's not to say that they don't litigate it, because they are.
But Charmaine has every right
Absolutely,
to
sure.
negotiate and
Absolutely.
argue about this, and nothing wrong with that at all.
Yeah, but I have to say, I would probably, interject something new into the equation. Just arguing the adjuster may not be of much value. Sounds like she's pretty articulate. She's probably talked to him or her several times.
Right.
So I would probably go to the repair shop, probably get them involved to see if they can help with the repair. And you can also get a second opinion. You can also go to another repair shop, have the vehicle brought somewhere else for them to render an opinion as well. So that's something to think about.
All right, Charmaine, great question. Hope it works out for you. Give us a call back anytime.
Good luck with that.
Good luck with that. I hope that it works out. And give us a call back if you need any help with that in the future.